Now we have rolling hitch, which you can just with 2 fingers easily adjust up and down. And if this end is tied to tent or something, you can easily make a tension or lift something with the pulley and stuff. And from this end, as you can see, you can't move it at all. It just grips, bites. Yeah. So imagine this is just a cord, and you need to make like an anchor point. So that's what you do. Take a loop, twist once, and where it crosses each other, you press, and you have another across. And you see, it's like a vagina. Yep. Now you go underneath while you're holding both crossings, which is almost impossible, but it's really doable. Basically what you have, structured like this. Oops, sorry, the other end doesn't need, Jesus, anyways. What you do, get the point from underneath, all excited. What the fuck is happening? And you have the anchor point. Yeah, my favorite easiest climbing knot. It's not like a knot, but quick thing to do. It's like when you need something to be tied on. You take the rope and get across. Then yep, holds really tight. Just self-choking knot. Oh, блядь, несколько филмала? What the fuck?